In front of me is OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and go to home screen and wallpaper. Just click to open. And now to apply new wallpaper, just scroll to the very bottom of the list and click on set wallpaper. Now you can pick some from static wallpapers. You can enroll your own photos and just apply something that you would like to have as your wallpaper and also your lock screen. Let me choose, for example, this one. Tap on apply. And now click on set as. You can also change the position of your wallpaper. You can zoom it in or out as you wish. Then click on set as and decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will pick both. And that's it. As you can see from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of this device. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.